So it's better, to be fair, it's better all round if you have your phone connected by this lead. Now I'll show you another reason why. But it's not to say that the system's not going to get better, because they're working on it all the time. But it's just what I prefer.
Please say a command.
Navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Preston.
Please say a line number, or say none of those.
None of those.
Please say a command.
Cancel.
Cancelling.
See, that hadn't found Grosvenor Garage. However,
please say a command.
navigate to Chorley Road, Preston.
Please say a line number, or say none of those.
None of those.
Please say a command.
Navigate to Chorley Road, Preston.
Please say a line number, or say none of those.
Again, it hasn't picked any of those up. It hasn't picked Chorley Road up.
Please say a command.
Navigate to Chorley Road, Preston.
Please say a line number, or say none of those.
It's just not picking my voice up for some reason.
I didn't understand that. Please say a line number, for example, line 1, or say none of those.
Cancel.
Cancelling.
So, navigation, destination, search, address, town, points of interest. We'll try this. We'll try this.
Please say a command.
Navigate POI.
Please say the name of the POI.
Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston.
Please say a line number.
No, it hasn't picked it up. So
Please say a command.
navigate postcode PR5 4JS.
Please say a line number.
Nothing.